The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to new contenders. But Pi Network has taken a different approach. Founded in 2019 by Stanford PhDs, Pi aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. This isn't your typical Silicon Valley startup story. Pi Network wants to empower individuals, not just early adopters. They believe everyone should have a stake in the digital economy. And they've made headlines recently. After its mainnet launch, Pi's price surged by an impressive 270%. This caught the attention of many, sparking conversations about its potential. But is Pi Network just another flash in the pan, or is there something more substantial behind the hype? Let's dig deeper. One of Pi Network's most distinctive features is its unique mining process. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive mining, Pi utilizes a mobile-first approach. This means anyone with a smartphone can participate in mining Pi. No need for expensive equipment or technical expertise. This accessibility is a key part of Pi's mission to democratize cryptocurrency. Pi Network leverages the Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, for its mining process. This protocol is known for its efficiency and low energy consumption. So, Pi mining is not only convenient but also environmentally friendly. By making mining accessible and sustainable, Pi Network aims to create a more inclusive and equitable cryptocurrency landscape. Pi Network is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a thriving community. The network has 4 key roles: pioneers, contributors, ambassadors, and nodes. Pioneers are everyday users who mine Pi. Contributors verify transactions and secure the network. Ambassadors invite others to join the Pi revolution. And nodes act as network validators, ensuring stability. This collaborative structure fosters a strong sense of community. It empowers users to actively participate in Pi Network's growth and development. This strong community is often cited as one of Pi's greatest strengths. It's a testament to the network's vision of creating a decentralized and user-driven ecosystem. Pi Network's price has been a roller coaster ride, capturing the attention of both seasoned investors and curious newcomers alike. It has experienced both soaring highs and dramatic lows, reflecting the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market. This volatility can be attributed to several factors, each playing a significant role in shaping Pi's market behavior. One major factor is the limited exchange availability, which restricts where and how Pi can be traded. Initially, Pi was only tradable on a handful of exchanges, making it difficult for many to access and trade the cryptocurrency. This limited liquidity contributed to price swings, as fewer trades could significantly impact the market value. Another factor influencing Pi's price is speculative trading, where traders buy and sell based on short-term movements rather than long-term value. The hype surrounding Pi Network has attracted both enthusiasts and speculators, each with their own expectations and strategies. This has led to price movements not always reflecting the network's underlying value, creating a disconnect between market price and actual worth. So, how do we determine Pi's true worth? It's a question that requires a deep dive into various aspects of the network. It's a complex question with no easy answer, as it involves analyzing both quantitative data and qualitative factors. Some point to Pi's growing community and potential use cases as indicators of its inherent value, suggesting that a strong user base could drive future adoption. Others remain cautious, citing the network's early stage of development and the lack of widespread adoption as reasons to be skeptical. The truth, as always, lies somewhere in between. While Pi Network shows promise, its true value will only become clear as it matures and gains broader acceptance. Section 5. Volatility and Uncertainty, Navigating Pi's Early Days. The early days of any cryptocurrency are marked by volatility. This is a period where prices can swing dramatically within short time frames, causing both excitement and anxiety among investors. Pi Network is no exception. Since its inception, the price has seen significant ups and downs. The price has fluctuated wildly, leaving many wondering about its long-term prospects. Investors often find themselves on edge, constantly checking their screens for the latest updates. This volatility is partly due to Pi's limited trading history. With only a short period of data available, making accurate predictions becomes a challenge. With a shorter track record, there's less data to analyze and predict future price movements. Analysts often have to rely on short-term trends, which can be misleading. Additionally, Pi Network is still under development. The team behind Pi is continuously working on improving the platform. The project is constantly evolving with new features and updates being released regularly. Each update brings a mix of anticipation and uncertainty. This constant evolution contributes to uncertainty in the market. Investors are left to speculate on how each new development will impact the overall value of Pi. Investors are trying to assess how these developments will impact Pi's value in the long run. They analyze reports, discuss trends, and try to forecast future movements. Despite the volatility, many Pi Network supporters remain optimistic. They believe in the potential of the project and its ability to revolutionize the financial sector. They believe in the project's long-term vision and its potential to disrupt the financial landscape. For these supporters, the current volatility is just a stepping stone towards a brighter future. Section 6. Challenges on the horizon, KYC delays, and skepticism. While Pi Network has garnered significant attention, it's not without its challenges. The platform, which aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, has seen a surge in user interest. However, this rapid growth has brought its own set of hurdles. One of the most pressing issues is KYC, or Know Your Customer, delays. KYC is a standard process in the financial industry, designed to verify the identity of users and prevent illegal activities such as money laundering and fraud. KYC verification is crucial for preventing fraud and ensuring regulatory compliance. Without it, the platform could face significant legal and financial repercussions. However, Pi Network has faced significant backlogs in processing KYC applications. The sheer volume of new users has overwhelmed the system, leading to long wait times and growing frustration. These delays have caused frustration among users eager to access and trade their Pi coins. Many have taken to social media and forums to voice their concerns, highlighting the need for a more efficient process. The Pi Network team is aware of these issues and is actively working to improve the KYC process. They are exploring various solutions, including automating parts of the verification process and increasing their support staff to handle the influx of applications. Another challenge is skepticism from some quarters of the cryptocurrency community. Despite its innovative approach, Pi Network has its critics. Critics question Pi's value proposition and its potential to compete with established cryptocurrencies. They argue that without a clear path to widespread adoption and tangible use cases, Pi may struggle to gain legitimacy. Addressing these challenges head-on will be crucial for Pi Network to gain wider acceptance and achieve its ambitious goals. By improving the KYC process and addressing skepticism, Pi Network can pave the way for a more inclusive and accessible cryptocurrency future. Section 7. Pi versus the giants, can it compete? The cryptocurrency market is a crowded space. Established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum dominate the landscape. So, where does Pi Network fit in? Pi Network's unique approach sets it apart from the pack. Its focus on accessibility and mobile-first mining has attracted a large and passionate community. However, Pi Network still faces an uphill battle. It needs to demonstrate real-world utility and attract developers to build on its platform. The success of any cryptocurrency depends on its ability to solve real-world problems and gain widespread adoption. Pi Network has the potential to do so, but it needs to execute its vision effectively. Only time will tell if Pi Network can compete with the giants of the cryptocurrency world. Section 8. A glimpse into the future. Price predictions and potential. Predicting the future of any cryptocurrency is a fool's errand. The market is notoriously volatile and subject to unpredictable swings. However, analysts and enthusiasts alike have offered their predictions for Pi Network's future price. Some forecasts suggest significant growth potential in the coming years. One factor that could impact Pi's price is a potential listing on major exchanges like Binance. Increased liquidity and trading volume could lead to price appreciation. However, it's important to approach these predictions with a healthy dose of skepticism. Cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. The best approach is to stay informed, make informed decisions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 9. Stay informed, stay hopeful. The importance of Pi News World. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Staying up to date on the latest developments is crucial for making informed decisions. Pi News World serves as a valuable resource for all things Pi Network. From price analysis to project updates, Pi News World keeps you in the loop. By staying informed, you can navigate the exciting and sometimes confusing world of Pi Network with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. So stay informed, stay engaged, and be part of the Pi Network journey.